Hello, welcome to Dot Can Get a Lot, presented by Little Pine Education. The best phonics stories ever, Level B, number 5. Let's preview the short O words first. Dot, rod, job, lot, rod, bob, knot, sock, rock, pop, got. Challenge words went, good, fish, and said. Before we get started, where do you think this story takes place, and when? What time of day is it? That's the setting. Dot got her rod. She went to the dock. I will do a good job, she said. I will get a lot of fish. She saw her rod bob, but it was not a fish. It was a sock. She saw a fish by a rock. I will get it, she said. She saw it pop up. She got it. She got 6. I did a good job, she said. That's the end. I hope to see you again next time.